Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy F13 smartphone. So now quickly open it up. So if we see here we get you can see slim box, and here we get the SIM ejector pin, and if we see inside it, so here we get the reading manual. So no transparent back case you get in the box. Okay, and guys, here's the font itself. You can see here's the font itself. It is in night sky green color. The sunrise copper and waterfall blue color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the 15-watt fast charger. Here we get the 15-watt fast charger in the box, which is a really good thing. And this is the USB Type C to USB cable you get in the box. Okay, so that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone in a night sky green color. If we talk about the design, you can see the design of the phone is looking good. It is made by plastic, and the frame is also plastic. Here you can see, yep guys, the design of the phone is good. And if we talk about the texturing, yep, lightly plastic feel is coming. But if we talk about the design, you can see the design of the phone is looking good. The texture design, you can see it is looking good. Okay, if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone, and on bottom here we get the 3.5 headphone jack, secondary microphone, USB Type C port, and this is the main speakers we get in the phone. And here we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So this is really good thing. It supports dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support, which is a really good thing. And on this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with power on off key and volume up and down key. And on here you can see on back we get the triple rear camera setup, 50 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel with LED flash. And on front it has 6.6 inches full HD plus display with 8 megapixel front camera. So now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So you can see I have set up the device and the phone is starting now. So this is the main screen of Samsung Galaxy F13 smartphone. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Here the helpful quick settings are also available, and brightness adjustment feature is also available there. And if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature, and here we get some applications. Okay, so if we talk about the UI of the smartphone, you can see it is running really smooth. Yep, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. It has normal display, but you can see the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. Okay, if we go in settings, about phone, and if we check the software information, so here you can see it is running on a latest version Android 12. It is running on latest version Android 12, and the One UI core version is 4.1. And here you can see it also has the knock security. Here you can see it has also the knock security, which is a really good thing. And the Android security patch level is of 1 August 2022. So now quickly go back. So as you can see, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth, no doubt. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with Samsung Galaxy F13 smartphone in different lighting condition with different modes. After it, if we talk about its side-mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, quickly check this out. Put finger, put finger, and it unlock the phone. Put, okay guys, put. So in my knowledge, the fingerprint sensor needs improvement. You can see it takes time. You can see put, and it is not recognizing my finger, but second time it quickly recognized my finger. Put, here you can see put, and it unlocked the phone. But yep, guys, the side mounted fingerprint needs improvement. So guys, the side mounted fingerprint needs improvement, and if we talk about its face unlock performance, quickly check this out now. Okay, I look and it unlocked the phone. Okay, I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocked the phone. So face unlock is fast. You can see I look and it quickly unlocked the phone. You can see the face unlock is really fast and responsive, but the side mounted fingerprints need improvement. So guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy F13 smartphone. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.